Yeah, my people, welcome back to the channel, you know. So, it's been a long while. You see it? They're back here again. Don't know we am back the same way.
Yeah, man, we're there, man, for the vlog, you know.
You see it?
Been a long time now still. For what? 3 years? Oh, that man.
2 years and odd.
2 years and 3 years.
Yeah, almost.
Mm-hmm.
As I say, people, so the channel here, original channel, you see it? I'm originally putting vlog pan and them thing there. I don't know, you can see previous video. We're out and thing on the channel. I'm going to put in work from long time. You see it? So we just get back to the channel now. It's been a while. Actually, I was doing the work, so most of you guys may have not seen my channel, and you guys were wondering. I actually was posting some other vlog on some different channel, but since I get back this channel now, I'm gonna post some of my vlog right here. So make sure you stay tuned and watch what I go on, because I'm more banger for come. You understand? So today I got a chance to work on a project with the Field Marshal, Yannick Reed and Shaquille Brown. We were actually shooting 3 locations: the Trident Hotel, Trident Castle and Geejam. Now shout out to your boy Pedro for putting me onto these gigs. Now today I'll be shooting some drone footage on these locations. Yeah man, it's water now to Geejam. So now guys, keep it locked. Yes, bread back outside, you know?
Yeah, man, we're there, man, on the Geejam side there, you know.
You see it?
Come in, come shoot through video.
So I go on.
Don't know what I go on there, man.
Now when I first arrived at the Geejam, I was actually scoping out the area, you know, show you guys some bit amount of tour. They also have a studio, but I didn't get a chance to really visit there. So hopefully next time if I go back, I will actually show you guys some more footage of this space right here. But I actually got some drone shot, and there are some beautiful drone shot in this that I'm going to show you guys as well. Yeah man, so right now just left from Geejam right now, and we're going to head back now to Trident. So you guys just keep it locked. We're there, bread back, your bad driver, same way.
Yeah, man, we're there, man. I go down back on the Trident side, you know.
Yeah man. Don't know people, keep it locked, stay tuned. Yeah man, so make a stop right now. Then I'm going to consume some jelly. So show you guys what I go and see them, you know. Out here, you know. Brunch time, you know. They are going to consume some food, you know. Alright, different location again. Right now we're heading to the castle right now. You guys can see what I go on. So right here, as you can see, we finally reached the Trident Castle. Now we're actually right here scoping out the location to get to our shots. I was actually gonna take some drone footage of here as well. So we're actually right now taking a tour, show you guys the lawn and in front as you appear inside. And yeah, so as you can see right now, this is the front entrance once you go into the castle, and that's how it actually look inside. Now we actually greeted with these two dogs who actually following us for our foods.
Already.
Them just stay this or them go boat?
Then go boat. Is he chop on step a while ago?
Yeah, he knows a good one.
This is a good one. Good one. Which one?
Jelly.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, shot shoot 30, you know. Is that it? That's what me that make you want to do. With front product? No. Yeah, bro.
Check 2 times, we glimpse in my gun.
No, check 2 times. My glimpse in my gun, man. Run for it.
Five finger have like man
I saw them big in real life?
Yeah?
Yeah,
I
I
see.
mean they grow so big.
They grow so big, girl.
We can't mind.
How for trouble them?
Let me say. These are grow so big, brother. I see this. Never see one says too.
One time I saw one and I got St. Thomas. I cross the road.
Yeah. Hope more too. So them not so big. Little
Big.
bit. Yeah. Little bit.
Low I got Asia.
Yeah, right up that side there.
You see them when I
Up there
say.
so them protect them, so them protected. And I see one so big but close to almost close to this guy. This.
And a big man.
Like that, brother. I know say how I don't want to see.
I'm fast, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's a hotel, you know? One little production, yeah? Right back the same way. Shaquille Brooks.
Oh, bless up.
Don't know. It's a pass through. See it. Yeah, man. Machine, man. Someone can put the file in this heavy.
Yeah.
Real, man.
The smallest, but I put it on my shoe if I'm not shoot nothing too. I'm not shoot nothing too like tough like.
But the second, you put on the first one?
Put it on the HS.
Oh.
On the HS thing there. Because I couldn't right there. No, it's it up on there now, but yeah. Now we on S because it's smaller than the HS. I like the smallest one, but two compressed. But I shoot on this mostly.
Like me, I shoot pan. This me, I shoot pan.
What that?
This.
That one there?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I make it stay upon. I can't. Anything else are too much space and
Yeah, man, no, big file size.
big. I can't. Cause right today what I did, I shoot 60 frames for the whole day and like an hour 30 me get out tight. But if I shoot, you know, like the other one and it's a 180 card every night. If I shoot the other one, I get like probably like 50 odd minutes for the 180. So and that I like 23 frames. If I go 60, I like less than that, about 30. That's one of the things about it still, but yeah, dog.
Come on, solid, man.
I want a proper camera, man.
I mean, want, you know, but just.
Kinda,
You see, it's small
yeah,
size,
no,
man.
because this, I think, when this come out, not even the FX30 they come out yet. So when I see FX30 come out, I say, John will start if. Because the price tag for this kind of high still. When the FX30 they come out, I wouldn't have this still. Even though I don't mind it still, I'm going to regret it. But the FX30, I'm going to get it first and then kind of build the way up. But it's a good camera still.
We fix that 30 crop
Crop sensor, yeah. But I'm saying I don't mind it still because with the low light you can basically shoot without light. You don't really need like much light for do nothing at all. Once you have a good lens and ample light, probably like a street light you're good.
You perform on it well.
Yeah man, if you get like the Sony lens them with it or a lens with native with it, best.
Yeah guys, you see what the important pan a shoot. Right now my drone battery kinda dead right now. I'm gonna try to get some charge in it. See there? So first set a move. Right here, so 100 watt in. Don't know. Nice. All power. Best up again. For sending this over. Look how nice, look how solar charging station, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, so out upon Trident Castle. We wanna shoot some content. We're on the crew.